سورة عبسة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
عبس وتولى.
He frowned and turned away.
أن جاءه الأعمى.
Because there came to him the blind man.
وما يدريك لعله يزكى.
And how can you know that he might become pure from sins?
أو يذكر فتنفعه الذكرى.
Or he might receive admonition, and the admonition might profit him.
أما من استغنى.
As for him who thinks himself self-sufficient,
فأنت له تصدى.
to him you attend.
وما عليك ألا يزكى.
What does it matter to you if he will not become pure?
وأما من جاءك يسعى.
But as to him who came to you running,
وهو يخشى.
and is afraid,
فأنت عنه تلهى.
of him you are neglectful and divert your attention to another.
كلا إنها تذكرة.
Nay, do not do so. Indeed, it is an admonition.
فمن شاء ذكره.
So whosoever wills, let him pay attention to it.
في صحف مكرمة.
It is in records held greatly in honor,
مرفوعة مطهرة.
exalted, purified,
بأيدي سفرة.
in the hands of scribes,
كرام بررة.
honorable and obedient.
قتل الإنسان ما أكفره.
Be cursed the disbelieving man, how ungrateful he is.
من أي شيء خلقه.
From what thing did he create him?
من نطفة خلقه فقدره.
From mixed drops of male and female sexual discharge he created him, and then set him in due proportion.
ثم السبيل يسره.
Then he makes the path easy for him.
ثم أماته فأقبره.
Then he causes him to die and puts him in his grave.
ثم إذا شاء أنشره.
Then when it is his will, he will resurrect him.
كلا لما يقض ما أمره.
Nay, but man has not done what he commanded him.
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه.
Then let man look at his food.
أنا صببنا الماء صبا.
We pour forth water in abundance.
ثم شققنا الأرض شقا.
And we split the earth in clefts.
فأنبتنا فيها حبا.
And we caused therein the grain to grow.
وعنبا وقضبا.
And grapes and clover plants.
وزيتونا ونخلا.
And olives and date palms.
وحدائق غلبا.
And gardens dense with many trees.
وفاكهة وأبا.
And fruits and herbage.
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم.
To be a provision and benefit for you and your cattle.
فإذا جاءت الصاخة.
Then when there comes the second blowing of the trumpet.
يوم يفر المرء من أخيه
That day shall a man flee from his brother,
وأمه وأبيه
and from his mother and his father,
وصاحبته وبنيه
and from his wife and his children.
لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه
Every man that day will have enough to make him careless of others.
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة
Some faces that day will be bright,
ضاحكة مستبشرة
laughing, rejoicing at good news.
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة
And other faces that day will be dust-stained.
ترهقها قترة
Darkness will cover them.
أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة
Such will be the disbelievers and the wicked evildoers.